Hi there, students. Lark. So a lark as a noun. And then I think you need to use it, if you use it as a verb, it needs to be the phrasal verb to lark about or to lark around. But notice, lark has two different types of use. Firstly, a lark it's a type of songbird, yeah, and it sings quite nicely. And we even have this phrase, he's always up with the lark. It means he gets up very early in the morning. God, I was up with the lark this morning. An idiom, yeah. I had to get up very early. Yeah, and this is to a lark. But then, okay, to lark about, to lark around, to behave in a silly way because you think it's funny. Notice this is intransitive. He's always larking around. Stop larking about and sit down, please. The kids in class are always larking about. Yeah. I was woken up in the middle of the night by some partygoers larking about. Yeah, they'd had too much to drink and they were larking about, but they didn't really mean to do any damage. Yeah, they were doing it just for a lark. Okay, for fun. So a lark, an activity that's a joke that's not intended to cause damage or serious. So the kids hid my books as a lark. They thought it would be a lark to hide my books. A good prank, a funny thing to do. Yeah, they were just having a lark, to have a lark. Yeah, we were doing it for as fun, some sort of amusement, for a laugh. Yeah, we were doing it for a laugh. Yeah, we had some good larks last weekend, some good escapades, if you like. And then you can also use this word, a lark. You need to use it particularly in the construction this teaching lark. Yeah, this teaching lark is quite fun. He got into the video making lark. Yeah, this YouTube making lark. This YouTube lark is quite interesting. So it's referring to an activity or a situation that you don't take very seriously. There used to be a series, it's probably from the 50s, the Navy Lark, and where there were sailors in the Navy who were always doing funny things, yeah? They tell me you got married last week, so how's that marriage lark? Yeah, how's the activity of it? Yeah, I've had more than enough of this working all day lark. Yeah, I've had enough of this work at the weekends lark. Okay, and that's another way to do it. Okay, so a lark, something that's a bit of fun. Yeah, an activity done for enjoyment or amusement. This bungee jumping lark looks really interesting. Okay, so let me go back through this because I need to look at the formality. A lark as a bird, this is 5 in formality, use anywhere. He was up with the lark every morning. This is an idiom, but again, I would probably give it a 5 in formality. He was out of bed with the lark. I think you could even use that in a formal writing, although it's a bit a metaphor, so maybe more on the literary side. To lark about, this is very informal. 3 in formality. Stop larking about. Yeah, something's going to get broken. They were larking around. 3 in formality. Yeah, we had some good larks last night. 3 in formality again. This English teaching Lark is not as easy as it seems. 3 in formality again, okay? Notice to lark around, you could even say to skylark around. And I use that because now we're going to go to the origin. Okay, the bird, the lark, which is also called a skylark, it comes from a Proto-Germanic word, laiwarico. And maybe this is of some sort of Celtic or Germanic origin. Okay, now the word lark, there was an English word, a Northern English word, like or liker, meaning to play around. And that itself came from laker in Old Norse, to play as opposed to work. And maybe this is all a shortening of the word skylark. Yeah, stop skylarking about. Let's see, in the early 19th century, the sailors playing roughly in the rigging on the sails and the ropes of a river, not a river, of a ship, in the rigging, and to skylark about. And maybe that's the origin of this lark, okay, as in stop larking around. I don't want any more of your larks, of your pranks, yeah, or romping around, frolicking around, having some fun, yeah, just doing it as a joke. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lark, to lark about. The Navy lark, this English teaching lark. Yeah, he was up with the lark. Bye bye.